Last week, we reported on a new bill intended to help save you money at the pharmacy. Lubbock Congressman Jody Arrington says his Better Deals Lower Prices Act would force the middlemen in the drug business to disclose their prices.
That is intended to allow pharmacists to choose lower cost and pass those savings on to you. KCBD News Channel 11 Sydney Lowther tells us why one pharmacist says it's the right bill for the job.
We've already seen several pharmacies close, not just independent pharmacies, but even some chain pharmacies in town here in Lubbock have been closing. Our city's growing. It shouldn't be closing in stores. It should be opening new ones.
Pharmacy benefit managers have been a huge talking point in recent years, especially for business owners like Chris Hobart, who runs Highland Pharmacy in Lubbock. Lubbock Congressman Jody Arrington introduced a bill last week to regulate these pharmaceutical middlemen and force them to be more transparent. Hobart says the Better Deals Lower Prices Act will help local pharmacies like his.
It's going to help everyone. The biggest thing it's going to help is businesses to make business decisions, because then they can actually see where those dollars are going.
Hobart says added cost onto drugs by PBMs, like administrative fees, DIR fees, and rebate sharing, can mark up the prices, and allowing businesses and consumers to see those costs will in turn lower drug prices.
Because when I have to pay a real high price for a drug, I can't charge a real low price. Having transparency on how that money is moving around between these different vertically integrated companies, that is huge, and that is a big help for consumers.
Hobart points to a Texas law from 2021 intended to regulate the industry, but he says it lacks enforcement.
There's a law in place that you have the right to use whichever pharmacy you choose.
It prevents those middlemen from requiring patients to use the pharmacies they own when seeking care. The law is intended to let patients get the best deal available under their health insurance plans.
A lot of times these people just get told, oh, I have to do it through mail, or I have a program or something like that, and Texas law says that that's not okay. And the Texas law does apply to the majority of insurance plans.
Congressman Arrington's bill still has many steps to go through before it gets a vote, but local pharmacies are hopeful for transparency. Sydney Lowther, KCBD News Channel 11.